Hey guys, it's Brandon and Zach with Rustic Lumber Store, and we have a special announcement. We are going to be at 2024's Workbench Con in Atlanta this upcoming February.
Yeah, we're pretty excited about it. We've never done this show before. We've done other, your standard trade shows and some furniture fairs in the past, but never a show specifically for woodworker content creators. And there's always a lot of buzz around this show. And we're really excited about going to this. Through the last couple of years, we've been building our brand up with new products that we're offering between our finishes and epoxies and of course our really high quality wood slabs. So it just seemed appropriate throughout the last year with everyone using our furniture oil and just gaining momentum with that. It's a good time to now participate in doing Workbench Con and working with different influencers. So
for sure, and we're going to go as vendors. So we're going to have a booth out on the main room, right?
Yep, in the ballroom.
Yep. So we want everybody who's been following us, who's seen any of our content or who's used any of our stuff, please come stop by the booth and chat with us. But there's going to be a part two, right? So since we are dealing with a lot of woodworkers and content creators and things like that, we're gonna be doing a kind of a spotlight series on our way up to Workbench Con, and then we're gonna be doing live podcast at Workbench Con. So if there's anybody who's gonna be going or who's gonna be a vendor there and wants to be able to just sit down with us for about 10 minutes and just kind of talk about what it's been like as a content creator as well as a woodworker, like your journey and the whole thing, and really just showcasing just who you are. And so we're super excited. We're also gonna be doing, I think we're doing a giveaway.
Yeah, so we're gonna do a few, we're kind of, because it's only like 6 weeks away. So I knew earlier this year, I thought about doing it, and finally I just like randomly pulled the trigger. So now
And if you watch any of our Rustic Lumber stuff, we don't do anything that is timely. We're always under the belt.
Yep, that's right. It always seems like that. But what I wanna do is, Workbench Con is just not the show, but the community around it. And I wanna leverage every bit of, content creation, any sort of community, bringing camaraderie together. So we're gonna do some stuff leading up to the show. I have an idea here for a giveaway, or I guess it's a giveaway, but we're gonna do it in a raffle style.
Yeah, so if you guys have any questions, any comments, if you're gonna go, let us know, because we wanna see you guys, and we haven't seen anybody. Like, we've seen a couple people at a couple of the home shows and things like that nearby, but we're going to Atlanta. Have you been to Atlanta?
I think I drove through it once when I was a kid because we were going somewhere. Right. I don't even know, but no, not as an adult. I've never been there.
I've never been to Atlanta. I've got some friends that were down there. So it's gonna be exciting, and it's gonna be cool to be able to meet a bunch of other content creators.
Yep.
All right, guys, we'll see you in a few videos.
Yep.